Shivani Sanger. I worked as an internet lexical company. In today's video, I will discuss what is honor killing. So, start with introduction. Cultural crimes are basically the crimes that seek to place within the context of culture or under the head of it. As we all know, recently there has been a spate of honor killings which has shocked the country. Honor killing is one of the types of cultural crime present in our country. An honor killing is the homicide murder of a member of a family by other members, as it is believed that the victim has brought shame or dishonor upon the family or the community he or she belongs to. Honor killing usually is committed by a male family members against female family members who are held uh, who are held to have brought dishonor upon the family. However, men can also be the victims of honor killing. The term honor killing applies to both men and women in cultures that practice it. The distinctive nature of honor killing is the collective nature of the crime. That means many members of an extended family or community plan the act together and they commit the crime. Honor killing are directly mostly against women and girls. According to statistics, honor killings have been reported in northern regions of India, mainly in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. It is prevalent to a lesser extent in South India and the western Indian states of Maharashtra and Gujarat. In West Bengal, honor killings are completely ceased about a century age due to active steps taken by reformers. There are various reasons why people or family members decide to kill the daughter in the name of preserving their family honor. The most obvious reason are refusing to enter an arranged marriage, being in a relationship that is disapproved by their family, having sex outside marriage, being rape victim, dressing in a way which is viewed inappropriate, renouncing a faith, etc. Sociologist believes that the reason why honor killings continue to take place is because of the continued rigidity of the caste system. Hence, the fear of losing their caste status, though through which they gain many benefits and earn a respect in society, make them commit this heinous crime. The other reason why honor killings are taking place is because the mentality of people has not changed and they just cannot accept that marriages can take place in the same gotra or outside one's caste. The other side of the story points fingers towards the role played by Khap panchayats in honor killing. These panchayats are self-driven setups that have gained wicked popularity for having paved a way for honor killing. Boycotting families from villages that choose to allow their children to get married by their choice, supporting the families in honor killings are some of the naive activities of these panchayats. The unlawful laws of the Khap panchayats are imposed through social boycotts where the victims are killed or forced to commit suicide. All these inhuman activities are done in the name of brotherhood and honor of the community. Love marriages are considered a taboo in these areas. The famous Manoj Babli honor killing case in June 2007 for the first time convicted the defendants uh, for honor killing case. This killing was ordered by a Khap Panchayat in Haryana on 30th March 2010. For the first time in Haryana state history, a death penalty verdict was announced in this double murder case for the five accused. It is important to note that honor killing is not specific to India only. It continues to be prevailing in other parts of the world too. Reports submitted to the United Nations Commissions on Human Rights shows that honor killings have occurred in countries like Bangladesh, Great Britain, Brazil, Egypt, Italy, Pakistan, Turkey, etc. Honor killing is a recognized form of violence against women in international human rights law because it violates women's right to life and society, as well as every other article in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948. Honor killings also violate the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, 1979. This convention has been signed by 185 countries worldwide. Over 90% of the members of the United Nations, including most countries where honor killing occurs. India is also a part of the signatories. In India, honor killings are homicide and murder, which are serious crimes. Under the Indian Penal Code, the perpetrators can be punished as per Section 302 of the IPC. The perpetrators can be punished as per the Section 302. The members as well as the community can be prosecuted under Section 302 of IPC. Apart from this, honor killings also violates Articles 14, 15 clause 1 and clause 3, 19, 21 and 39 clause F of the Constitution of India. Now to conclude this, the government should make sincere efforts to educate the people and formulate the policies, thereby strengthening the governance of rule of law. There is a need for media to lend a hand in creating local awareness about the horror of honor crimes. One must keep a thing in the mind that humans do not have the right to write down the death penalty, death sentences of innocent human beings merely on the basis of choices they make in their lives. Therefore, honor killing is not justified and it should be stopped with immediate effect. That's all, guys. Thank you.